Last night at the Cairns Aquarium, we got a wonderful glimpse of what the Great Barrier Reef adventure could possibly be like. We were only pleasantly surprised by everything planned for the day. The morning began with us hopping on the Reef Magic Cruises catamaran that whisked us away to this natural wonder. Needless to say, our anticipation built as we glided over the sparkling waters, knowing that soon we'll be exploring one of the most breathtaking places on Earth.
Upon arrival, we were treated to an unforgettable helicopter ride over the Great Barrier Reef. From high above, we marveled at the vastness of the reef, its vibrant blues stretching as far as the eye could see. It was a breathtaking introduction to the beauty that lay beneath the surface. We couldn't wait to jump in.
As we made our grand entrance into the underwater realm of the Great Barrier Reef, armed with snorkels and flippers, we felt like a bunch of eager explorers on a quest for some hidden marine treasures. With a dramatic splash, we dived headfirst into the turquoise water.
Swimming through the maze of coral formations, Rashmi screamed, "Hey look, there's Nemo!" pointing to a clownfish darting among the sea anemones. I mean, finding our very own animated superstar. The dive was really something.
We spot turtles gliding gracefully through the water, like underwater ballet dancers, like they were putting on a performance just for us. And of course, we felt a twinge of jealousy at their effortlessness. After all, we are still mastering the art of not swallowing seawater with every stroke.
It was like swimming through a psychedelic garden with neon-colored corals in every shape and size imaginable. Oh, and need I tell you, swimming with the famous Wally the Rasse just tipped itself off of the Great Barrier Reef bucket list.
As we surfaced for air, gasping for breath between fits of excitement, we couldn't help but marvel at the sheer absurdity and wonder of it all. Who knew that exploring the Great Barrier Reef could be so exhilarating?
As the day drew to a close, we reluctantly bid farewell to the Great Barrier Reef and boarded the Reef Magic Cruise for our journey back to Cairns. From the deck of the boat, we watched the sun dip below the horizon, reflecting on the incredible experiences we had throughout the day.
Recalling our time exploring the depths of the reef, we were filled with an overwhelming sense of gratitude for the opportunity to have witnessed such natural splendor firsthand.
Back at Bristolbrook Riley, a table awaited us with the warmest food and company, and of course, the coolest cocktail mixes. I was blown away by the mastery. It was almost like a flavor explosion in my mouth. Each dish was an art piece on its own, and we couldn't really resist digging in.
Oh, what a day it was! One brimming with adventures from truly once-in-a-lifetime experience that left us in awe of the beauty of our planet. In the next episode, we'll show you the greener side of Queensland that not many know about. So, stay with us as we explore the verdant rainforest of Queensland next.